Hi, welcome to CTT channel. Today we will bring up with new lesson how to install CorelDraw X7 completely full. Okay, now let's start together. First, make sure that your computer is not connected to internet and turn off antivirus or Windows Defender. Go to File, Installation of CorelDraw, and click to install. Tick I accept, and then click Next. Tick on I don't have a serial number and click Next. Select Typical Installation. And click Finish button. Click CorelDraw icon to start the program. Click I've already purchased. Click Enter serial number. And run X-Force keygen to generate serial number. Copy the generated serial to place and select Activate Offline button. Copy installation code to put in installation box of X-Force to generate the activation code. Copy activation code from X-Force to place and click Continue. Now it is good to go, and thanks for your watching. See you soon. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year of 2020.